What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we have this 2014 BMW 528i, and today I'm going to show you how you can replace this little part that goes for the trim of the window switch. As you can see, this one is so bad that even when you touch it, it's so sticky. So we're gonna replace that, and to replace that part we have to remove the whole panel. We have to remove this trim, this part right here, and we need to unbolt it because it has bolts right here. And yep, so let's start. I'm gonna bring the tripod and explain you as much as I can on how to remove the panel. All right, I'll be back. Okay, so probably the most difficult part is gonna be this one right here. We have to use the plastic part. We have to pry a little bit until here because we have like an insertion there. So once we pull this, we have to pull it to the side, and we have to remove this one. So this one, just pry it like this, then pull, and it comes right out. So you have those little clips right here, and you gotta be careful with this crystal right here. Okay, we have a 30 torch right here. We have to remove that one, and we're gonna have like 1, 2, 3 of those here. So I'm gonna start doing the trim here. Oh, and also we have to remove this one too. This one is this. Just leave it hanging right here. It's fine. So we go this one. Already. Right here we have a metal thing. We're gonna push it in because if you don't push it in, you're gonna end up breaking the whole thing. So it's this one that I'll bring it with the whole thing. So once it's ready, just slide it to the side like this. It has this little arm right here, so it slides in. Okay, so now we have those bolts already loose. What we have to do now is we have to pull the whole panel off. Just find a good spot. The whole panel off like this. Then we lift it up. We gotta watch out for this. So now here at the bottom we have those things right there. What we have to do with this one is you gotta lift it from, it's kind of hard to do it with one hand, so but it's just lifting it up, and then actually you gotta lift it from here and just pull, but it was too hard. So now you gotta remove the connections for the harness down here. So I want to remove those, and I'll be back. I'll put the this whole panel on my box. and start filming the process to remove that piece. Alright, so pretty much we have here the panel, and we have to remove 1, 2, 3, I think it's 4 bolts. They're gonna be size 20 Torx. I'm gonna remove 1, 2, 3, 4, and let's see if it comes out. So it looks like we still got another bolt somewhere. Oops. Another bolt somewhere, so I gotta find it. Check real quick. And actually no, those are the only ones. You just have to push really hard over there, so we can remove this piece already. Panel for one moment, and we have this piece right here. So we gotta transfer, well, the switch over here, which is kind of simple, not too hard. So yep, what I'm gonna use is a little screwdriver, just like this, and we have these openings right here. We have to pry them a little bit. Actually, it's gonna be, let me see, it's gonna be these ones right here, I hope. Nope, they're gonna be these ones right here. So it's gonna be a little bit tough to remove, so if you want to skip this part, you can skip it, or you can watch the time lapse on how I'm gonna remove all this. There we go. So now we have this piece, this junk. Let me see if I have the part number here. Well, the part number is actually comes from China. That's the part number right there. I'll leave the link in the description where I got this from eBay. In the meantime, if you want, you can just clean this really quick and then put it back in there. Okay, so we got the piece already installed here. We can throw this to the trash. Now it's to install it back to the panel right here. So we're gonna put it first over here, like you can see it like this, and install it. And we just have to push it in really hard. There we go. It's kind of tough to do it, so I'll take my time. Let's see. There we go. So once it's seated right there, you can put the bolts back. Remember, since this plastic is new, we have to make the threads new, so pretty much use the same bolts and just use something with the hand or anything. It works. doesn't go too tight, just a little bit. There we go. Ready to install it back to the car.
Heroes tonight, yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes.
Alright guys, so I hope you liked the information and the tutorial on this video on how to change the bezel for the switch for the master switch, window switch. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe, comment down below, like the video if you liked it. Also turn notifications on so you can be updated with every video I upload every week. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next episode. Bye.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger.